Hey guys, this is Chubbs, and I'm going to show you how to create doors that are opened up by switches. And this will actually use switches that can only be activated if you have keys. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and just create just a normal sector as I always usually do. And I'll quickly create a door. If you need any help creating doors, just see my other videos that I've created. That should help you out. But I'm just going to do this real quick here. Just connect the door onto another sector. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time working on the textures or anything like that, since this is just going to be a demo. And once the door is completed and everything, that should be basically most of the work for us. And put a player start right here. And of course the door will connect these two rooms. And what you'll want to do here, since we're going to be using a key, is I'll just put it in plain sight. You can use a blue key card or skull key, and I'll find it right here. Either one of those, they'll both function as a blue key, so either one will be fine. I'll just put a key card and put it in front of the door, just for the sake of this, just so it's in plain sight. And let's create a switch that will open up that door. So I'll put the switch right here, and that switch can only be activated, or we'll make it so it's only activated if you have that key. But first, let's go into 3D mode and increase the lighting here so we can see. Okay. And lower this down so it's a door. Let's go ahead and give that a door texture. And keep the walls the same, since this isn't going to be anything special. And let's go ahead and raise up the switch. Let's go ahead and give it basic textures, and let's put on the front of it, let's give it a switch texture. Let's scroll down, and they should be near the bottom. Here we go. Just something very simple. I'll just give it this normal switch, and you can, if you're pointing at something in 3D mode, you can actually use your arrow keys on your keyboard to change the texture's offset, so you can align textures, and that's really cool. It helps a lot. But there we go. That looks okay. And this switch will be activated. That'll open up that door, but only if you have the blue key, which is going to be right here. So that all looks good. And actually, I was supposed to change the door texture on the back side of that door, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and that should be fine now. I'm not going to work on anything else in terms of texture work. So get back into the editor. Let's go ahead and make it a. See, well, actually, what you want to do is go over here to where the switch is, and on the front side of the switch here, this will be the only side that you'll be using. Just highlight it and click it so it's highlighted in red, and right click it, and let's give it a sector tag of 1. And if you need help understanding sector tags, I would recommend viewing my teleports video, as it kind of explains those. But once we have that as a sector tag of 1, let's go to select action, and let's give this one an action underneath the door section of let's see, let's make it SR door blue in parentheses open stay fast. And this will basically require this will be a switch, and it can be done several times, even though you won't really need to. And this will require the blue key card, and the door will open, and it will stay opened, and it will open up quickly. So now that we have that for this switch here, what we need to do is connect this switch to the door. So go ahead and go into sector mode instead of line mode, and highlight the door's sector. Right click it so you can bring up the sector properties and give it a sector tag of 1. That's really all you have to do. And go into line mode, and when you highlight this switch, the side you'll activate, as you'll see over here, it will make it glow yellow. That'll indicate it's connected. And that is basically it. So now, once you grab the blue key card and come back to this switch and activate it, it will open up this door right here. And if you don't have the blue key card and you try and use that switch, it will ask you to get the blue key card before you can actually do that. So that's basically all there is to it. It's not real complicated, and you can use this in your maps. this is really good for puzzles and such. And I hope this helps you guys out. If you have any questions, again, just feel free to comment on my videos, and thank you again for watching. I hope this helps you all.